Hey guys, today I want to present you an amazing opportunity to franchise one of two Burgers and Shakes locations, this one being situated in Barrhaven. There's so much history with Burgers and Shakes, with the first location being set in Manotick back in 1987. This location here has been up and running for the last 10 years. It's a turnkey business. It's close to schools, the Amazon building, car dealerships, and the Costco, and it's right in the middle of a mature residential neighborhood. My name is Ali Mansour with Royal LaPage Realty on the Vertex team. Follow me, let's check it out. Finally, this is what I've been waiting for. You guys have to check this place out.